Hey, hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are bringing you something exclusive, a premium upcoming township in one of the fastest areas of our city, Vedvidi. Located right on Besapipla Main Road, a 4-acre gated township to have its own mall and hotel within township. Also, I am going to show you project miniature as well as sample flat tour, so stay till the end. As well as if you like watching home tours or hunting for your dream space, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Firstly, let me show you the actual layout of Vedvidi. Vedvidi is spread across 4 acres with 4 stunning towers, 2 and 3 BHK spacious flats, 14 floor each, positioned in 2028. Here is a 24-meter wide Besapipla main road. Here is hotel and mall in the township. And here is 4 stunning towers with ample green space and amenities right in the heart of township. Here you get so many premium amenities, which includes landscape and podium level garden, indoor and outdoor gym, clubhouse, swimming pool, kids play area, guest room, guest waiting area, gazebo, multipurpose hall and so much more. And the most highlighting point of this township, the corpus fund to maintain society. So there will be no maintenance for lifetime. Second, there will be no membership or clubhouse charges. So everything is designed to give you peaceful yet modern lifestyle. Now let's take the actual sample flat. Here is the beautifully designed spacious 3 BHK flat measuring 1811 square feet. Now let's check it out. As soon as we enter, here is a foyer space where you can set up your shoe rack space or entrance. Here is the first master bedroom, which we will check out later. Here is the spacious 18 by 15 living cum dining area. Here you can set up your sofa set and here you can set up your TV unit space. You get attached balcony to the living area. Here you get floor to ceiling height window for more extra sunlight and air. Here is the spacious dining area where you can set up your 4 to 6 sitting dining. And also here is the another USP of this flat, the extra storage space. As well as you get separate dedicated temple space which you can customize as per your taste. Beside temple space, here is the kitchen. You get parallel platform kitchen and fridge space this side. Also you get transparent door, so there will be ample sunlight in your kitchen. With this passage, here is the common bathroom and 2 master bedrooms. Here is the sink with Cera fittings. Here is the big size common bathroom with premium Jaguar and Cera fittings. Beside common bathroom, here is the common bedroom. This is 12 by 10 feet common bedroom ideal for kids. Here you get separate dedicated wardrobe space and here is the big size window with mosquito net. Here is the second master bedroom. This is 13 by 10 feet second master bedroom. Here you get separate dedicated wardrobe space and here is the balcony with sliding window, floor to height sliding window with mosquito net. Here is the attached bathroom. Let me show you something really nice. Here you get really exciting something, fully equipped shower which you are going to find rarely. You are going to get only in Vedvidi. Here is the first master bedroom 12 by 10 feet, ideal for guest room or office space. Here is the attached balcony connected to living area and here is the attached bathroom. Bonus features you won't find everywhere. EV charging point, car washing area, common Wi-Fi in lobby, No membership or clubhouse charges, and yes, the corporate fund, so there will be no maintenance for lifetime. Now let's talk about the location. Vedvidir is located right on Besapipla main road. Besapipla is one of the fastest developing areas of our city. Fastest means those who live in Besapipla road knows the speed of development. Major shopping complexes like Zudio, Croma and AM Cinema are on walking distance. Haldiram, Reliance Mall are on minute drive. Top schools and colleges like Poloti School, Kejon School, Poddar School, School of Scholar, Z School and Dadasaheb Balpande College are within 4 km distance. Airport, Wardha Road and metro station are on 5 to 6 km distance. Here are two configurations available, 2 BHK and 3 BHK. 2 BHK 1138 square feet and 1317 square feet. 3 BHK 1811 square feet. And prices here start with 52 lakhs rupees onwards. So if you are searching for your future home, do call us now on given number. Subscribe to our channel, like this video. See you in the next video with more exciting property. Till then, thank you for watching. Bye bye.